Do you want to go to Odawara and see the castle? Well, you can get there on the Tokaido line all the way down. We're leaving from Yokohama today, going down to, I think, 11 stations to this one here, Odawara. Why do you want to go to Odawara? Well, there's a castle there. It's a nice historic site, and let's go check it out. Waiting for the train. And we've arrived in Odawara. Yep, that's right. It's a nice little town with a historic site, which is this castle, Odawara Castle. And we're headed over there. We're at the Bun Bun Bakery in Minaka. Minaka is the old-style shopping area at Odawara Station. There's a fantastic bakery here. Just picked some stuff up. And this is Minaka. See, it's kind of these style buildings with some food areas, different options. And we just picked up some really nice pastries. Very good. Odawara is on the sea, so there's lots of theme around seafood here and shops. This is a little shopping street that is kind of looking a little bit like old style, maybe Edo style. We have some statues here representing maybe the pilgrimage. I'm not sure the story here between the husband and wife. Here in the statue, in this small square, which has lots of little dining areas and options for you to have all kinds of snacks and goodies. You can have ice cream. You can have more ice cream. You can have the largest. You can have the largest fish cake in the world. This is a fish cake and it's made with different little bits and pieces and different ingredients here. The real one is inside, so that's them in there. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice little old style shopping area. Cafes, you can sit outside. There's also inside dining. Really nice. Very nice. Bakery. And you always have your matcha ice cream, matcha tea, all that kind of stuff all around. People just hanging out, chilling out, and enjoying bakery bun bun. Oh, now we're talking bakery bun bun. That's what I'm looking for. Well, you know I love bakery. All kinds of pastries. Wow. I recommend this place. It's got so many nice pastries. It's called Bun Bun. Yep, right here at Odawara Station. Just inside this area here, next to the station. Really nice. That's it. The Bun Bun Bakery. And we finally arrived at the Odawara Castle and the entrance of the castle tower. Here it is, 510 yen to get in. Tenshu Kaku means castle tower, the symbolic structure of the Japanese castle. This castle tower served as a storehouse, watchtower, or others in the Edo period, having a role to protect the west of Edo, the capital of Japan. The Odawara Castle was a special castle that even the Tokugawa shogunate family stayed at. Interesting. So we go to the Odawara Castle. Entrance here. Gonna walk up the stairs.